In today's video, I'm going to teach you Trello, how to set up free time tracking with the Activity Timer Power-Up. Start by opening Trello and signing into your account. Once you're in, go straight to the board where you want to track your time. This is important because power-ups are added per board, so you need to be inside the exact board where you want the timer to work. At the top of the board, click on Power-Ups. This opens the board's add-on library where you can search for extra tools and features. In the search bar, type Activity Timer. When you see it appear in the results, click Add. That connects the Activity Timer Power-Up to your board, so you can start tracking time directly inside Trello without needing a separate app. Once the Power-Up has been added, open the card you want to track. This should be the specific task you're actively working on. Inside the card, look to the right-hand panel and find Activity Timer. Click it and then click Start Timer to begin tracking your work time. Now just work on the task as you normally would. The timer will keep running while you focus on that card. When you're finished, go back into the card, open the Activity Timer section again, and click Stop Timer. This logs the time spent so you have an accurate record of how long that task took. After stopping the timer, click Add Entry. This lets you save the time entry and include notes if needed. Notes can be useful for adding context, like what part of the task you completed or what the session was used for. That can make your time records much easier to understand later, especially if you're managing several tasks or reviewing productivity. You can then repeat the same process for any other cards you want to track. Open the card, start the timer when you begin, stop it when you're done, and add an entry if you want extra details attached to that session. To review what you've tracked, check the Activity Timer panel on the card or open its Report section, depending on what you want to see. This is where you can look back at log time and get a clearer picture of where your hours are going across your Trello work. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's all you need to do to set up free time tracking with the Activity Timer Power-Up in Trello. Once it's enabled, tracking time becomes part of your normal workflow, which makes it much easier to stay organized, measure effort, and keep better records of your work.